So here we have truth table. Okay, so if we say A is a variable and B is a variable, that can be either true or false. So false is 0 and true is 1. If we say A and B, if they are both false, the result is false. The logic behind AND, if A is false and B is false, we get false. We have to have A and B true, so can A and B be true? We have OR function, either A or B or both have to be true to get the result true. So this is XOR. We can use the XOR operator between two values to perform bitwise exclusive OR on their binary representation. Due to the nature of XOR, it is often used as an encryption method. So this is the truth table of our XOR function, and what it does, it have to be either A or B that is true, and the result will be true. If they are both false or they are both true, we get the result false. Here is an example of 6 XOR tree. We have 6. 6 here is represented in binary. 3 is represented in binary. So how does it work? So we take the first numbers, 0 and 1, and we do XOR. So 0 and 1, 0 and 1. The result is true. We take it here in first place. Second place, we have 1, 1. 1, 1 give us a 0. It means false. Result is 0. We put it in the middle. And lastly, the third place, we have 1, 0, 1, 0, give us 1. To put it in the third place. 101 in binary, it's 5. In decimal. Here is a code example of XOR. So we got our code that obfuscates a string and the code that deobfuscates the string. We have a message is hello world, and we declare a function that take a string. We have a local variable of string, and for every character in our string, we take the character, we convert it to integer, and the integer is gonna be XORed with the value 20. We take back the result and we change it to a character. Then we save the character to our string. Finally, we print the result string. So the code that we give our client has the message that is obfuscated, that is not understandable, and we give him also the function that deobfuscates the string. We have a local variable, and for every character in this string, we convert it back to an integer and we XOR it with 20. Then we save the result and change it to a character, and we add this character to our local string. Finally, we print the local string. The first thing that you should notice is XOR. Here we XORed with 20, and here we XOR with 20. The thing is, when we XOR with a value, that value is the key, could be used as the key to decrypt. When I say decrypt, I mean decrypt because XOR is used for encryption, and decrypt, you have to have the same value to decrypt the number, the integer. To get the same value, for example, 6 XOR 3, it's 5. 5 XOR 3 is 6. This is our obfuscation function. We run it. It will give us this result. This is our code that deobfuscates the string that we can give to our clients. If we run it, it gives us hello world. So, question: what will happen if we use another value? For example, if we use another value, it cannot be understand. The result change. That's why we XOR with 20 and we XOR a second time to deobfuscate with 20. because 20 is the key. Okay, so other use cases of XOR. XOR, the variable value with itself always return 0. We can use XOR to delete our variables values.